our nine class performed by Aaj Chanakpur and in that group Pratmika Jha, Nisha Mahaset, Aishwarya, Pooja and everybody, boys and girls who are presented here. So they are going to prepare themselves and they will come within a few minutes. So I would like to thank especially the parents who have come here to see and to visit and to get here in this program. So from this school, I would like to again thank them who have in their busy time who have come here and who are enjoying this program. This school is traditionally from the 2055 is performing the farewell program for the 10th students and is in the comparison from the recent years. In this year it is going to be in a very unique and extra manner. So that thanks goes to the especially 9th class students who have managed those things and the school management. So those who have participated in the speech, all of you have to come here. So be prepared and remain in your respected places. Okay.
Chairperson who have come here to encourage us for in our farewell program. Today is farewell program. So welcome to everyone in the farewell program organized by New English Higher Secondary Boarding School. Firstly, I would like to thank our principals, Mr. Anil Agarwal sir and Mr. Sadan Bhagat sir, and also our vice principal, Mr. Pandav sir, for organizing such a wonderful program for the class 10 students. Today is farewell program. So today class 9 students will greet farewell to the class 10 students. As class 10 students are leaving this year for making this program very special. This program has been especially organized for them. Class 10 students have always given their good performance in this school. They had always, as class 10 students are leaving, they have to create a friendly environment in this school. They had always cooperated other students to participate in any good work. So they are the diamonds of this school. They had our school principal had only opened the school, but they had given life to this school. So they are the most precious and important students of this school. We hope that they are very laborious and students. So we hope that they will score distinction mark in their SLC examination and made our principals to be proud. As we already know that our school is already popular in the market, made it popular not only in the market, in the whole Nepal. As our school is popular, so we all pray that you will score 100 marks, and we wish for your bright future and your SLC examination. Thank you so much. At the end of this program, I would like to thank all the parents and the chief CDO for coming here and making this program very special. Thank you.
Okay, give big hands to Ankita, who has beautifully performed her speech here, brilliantly performance. So now, in this speech program, now I am going to call Mr. Rishikesh Shah to come on this stage. Give big hands, respect
you. I would like to thank organizer committee who had provided me such type of golden opportunity to say some word in front of you. Today day is very valuable day. I do not know how to express. Even though I would like to say some things about federal program. It is a natural cycle that one who meet one day, they might go far from us another day. So it is natural phenomena. So we should accept this general truth. Today I am feeling very happy to participate in this program, as well as sad to wishing our senior brother and sister who always have been guiding and giving right information about study. What we can do, we can only accept what the nature requires. Although I pray with God for their bright future and they can secure good mark in SLC examination and they can get success in his life. Lastly, I would like to thank our principal who had provided us such type of golden opportunity to celebrate this program at the end of this year. Last but not
Okay, now I am going to continue the speech program, and in the process of the speech program, now the third participant I would like to invite is Miss Anisa Yadav to come here on this stage. Give big hands for her to encourage her. Miss Anisa Yadav. Hello.
First, let me introduce myself. I am Anisha Yadav from class 9B. Our respected teacher, principal, my senior
Of our school. At last, we pray to Goddess Saraswati that you all would achieve a greater success in your life and also score better marks in your SLC examination. Well, I have just remembered the famous few beautiful words said by Pauline. that there are no reasons for success, but success are the preparation of hard work and learning. So, we wish you that in each and every step of your life, success may kiss your feet. At last, we pray for your beautiful future. And again, I want to thank all of you for attending this program and making this event more memorable. I think we all have given the best to make this event unforgettable in your whole span of life. Thank you.
Okay, give big hands to Neha. Okay, now the last girl who has left before. So now I am going to announce her. So Pooja Thakur, come here on this stage and perform your speech. Big hands for her, big hands. Okay, after this speech, there will be a dance program to entertain everybody here, and for that dance program, there will be happen the Kaliyug Ka Chaman by Salusa. So be prepared. Okay.
First of all, I would like to introduce myself, me Pooja Thakur from class 9. Our honorable chief, Vishnu Ram Yadav, who is the chief of RRM campus, our director Sadan Bhagat sir, our principal Anil Agarwal, and our vice principal Pandav sir. A warm pleasure, good afternoon to all of you. First of all, I would like to thank our principal, vice teachers, guardians and all the students who are present here right at this moment in this glorious event. First of all, I would like to take the opportunity to thank my junior students of class 9 as they have conducted such an awesome farewell program for us. Today I am really feeling sad, and not only me, many of us are feeling sad as this is our last day in our school. Well, frankly, today whatever achievements I have got in my studies and well-being behavior, that is all because of well-educated and well-disciplined teachers of my school. They had cooperated me a lot. I have spent 13 years of my life in this school as a student. I'd like to, as all of us know that this school is one of the well-known and popular school in the market. So I feel really glad to be a part of this school and get such a popular platform to prove myself. I'm grateful to the entire team of my teachers who guided me since I was a child and unaware about the alphabet till now when I'm an SLC candidate. They always encouraged me by saying that winners never quit and quitters never win. They always taught us that failures also can be winners because winners can't do different things. They just do things differently. Today I'm really missing my ex-principal Mrs. Pramila Amatya and ex-founder Mr. Ravindra Amatya as they had really worked hard to bring this school at this level. I'm thankful to my new management who has taken the responsibility of thousands of students of this school and fulfilling it fairly. I'm thankful to them for providing us creative extra classes. I'm really attached with this school and school members. Thus, after my matriculation exam, I'm really going to miss all of them. In the meantime, I'd like to advise my junior students of class 9 to work hard and never be irritated from study because they will never get such a platform and never be irritated from study because root of education is bitter but the fruit is sweet. At last but not the least, I'd like to thank my parents who provided me a great support which can't be expressed in words. At last, I want to say goodbye, miss you all, and remember this is not a sad end but a new start. Thanks a lot.
Okay, big hands for Priyanka Mahto who has delivered beautifully her speech. And now I am going to invite Mr. Ram Mahto.
First of all, good morning to everybody. Good morning to everybody for being me myself, Ram Mahto from class 10. Today I am very happy as well as very sad because I am going to leave this school and today the day of I am going to achieve the higher study. First of all, honorable chief guest, respected principal Mr. Anil Agrawal and Mr. Sadan Bhagat and the vice principal Mr. Pandav sir as well as presented guardians and the teachers and teaching staffs of New English Secondary Boarding School Janakpur. I would like to thank the Mr. R.K. Chaudhary who has been given a glorious chance to put me a few words regarding the farewell program in front of you all. I would like to thank the student of class 9 and 10 who has contributed this farewell program for their intimacy brothers and sisters who will be appearing SLC on 2016 and first Chaitra. Now I am going to highlight my experience during the schooling here. When I joined this school, I was in dilemma whether this school is good or not. But now I can say by hammering the stamp that none of school is better than this one because I have recognized this fact well. If I had to choose between the New English Secondary Boarding School and my breathing, then I would definitely choose the last bit, that how much I love my school. At the same time, I have different things now, different education which I have got from the teachers, and they beat me, they scold me for my future bright. At the same time, I would remember the ex-principal as Ravindra Amate as well as Parmila Amate, who has given lots of life during the education sector to contribute the New English Secondary Boarding in such a top school. I think that none of school is better than this one because here the different types of opportunity different types of facility has been given to the students, which means that New English Boarding School is very nice. At the same time, I want to say that dear friends as well as my brother and sister, be active and work for the education. In the same times, I would
I would like to thank the New English Secondary Boarding School members as well as the Mr. Anil Agrawal and Dr. Sadan Bhagat who have been organizing this program, as first time in the New English history during the farewell program. I would like to heartily thanks and salute those people who has contributed these programs. At the same time, I would like to say that, guys, please achieve your goal and be set for the education, because education is the main backbone of human society. Nowadays we are children. Children are the pillar of nation. So we must be sincere or hardworking for the education. If we learn a good education, then we make our nation strong. We know that without education, people like a monkey having no tail, or people having no art, or school having no students. At the same time, I want to highlight the education is the main backbone of human society. At the same time, I would like to say a short poem that I have received. As another year is ending, to say goodbye. It's the time to say goodbye. We are sorry to be leaving. It's the time to miss you again. Lots of bye-bye. Thanks.
Good afternoon to all of you. From me, Govind Saab from class 10. First of all, I would like to thank our school management committee and lovely brothers and sisters of class 9 who have organized a memorable event for us by inviting the person of Janakpur. Today, as we are here to celebrate the farewell party, I feel sad thinking that this is probably the last time we will see each and every one of us at one place. The feeling is, however, overshadowed by the love and affection shown by our teachers and help us to achieve our goal. Our teachers are like God for us. At first, when my teachers used to punish me, I felt that it was bad. But now I have come to know that it was their love and affection to make my future bright. My teachers' inspiring word, love, affection will be always immemorable for me. They taught me the most important lesson of the life, which was very important for SLC exam. Today I am SLC candidate because of my respected teachers. At the same time, I feel sad thinking that now I won't get chance to be taught by those teachers. At the same time, I want to apologize to all my teachers to whom I might have hurt knowingly or unknowingly. Ever since I joined this school in class 8, I have learned many new experiences and got a lot of new things. Although the period of 3 years days, but these periods were the 3 golden opportunities of my life, where I learned what life is, what role the education plays in our study, what